Assalamualaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel AZ Tech. So guys, in this channel I'm also telling about offshore attorney. What does offshore attorney? What is offshore attorney? Okay, each and every questions are here about offshore attorney. So now guys, let's start. First at all, open the Google and now search here about offshore attorney. In this video I'm also telling about what is offshore attorney. Okay, so now guys, offshore attorney specifically focus on causes involving maritime law. Okay, sometimes known as admittedly law. This unique set of laws were written slowly for the maritime industry and to help protect workers in the event of accidents, illnesses and injuries. Okay, so now I'm also telling about offshore injury lawyer. Okay, what is an offshore injury lawyer? Offshore attorneys specifically focus on causing involving. Okay, maritime laws are different from any other type of disability law, including worker compensation, in that they are also provided to those who work offshore. Okay, so, why do seamen need an offshore injury lawyer? Okay. So now, guys, in this video, I'm also telling about why do seamen need an offshore injury lawyer. When seamen are injured on the job in a ship or an offshore facility, that are legally entitled to receive compensation for their medical costs and living expenses while they recover. These compensation, known as maintenance and cure, is required by the provisions of general maritime law that govern personal injuries on the job. Okay, it in many instances, however, employers and their insurer attempt to pay only a fraction of maintenance and cure, or in some cases not pay to all. Okay, at all. Employers usually want to deny that they are responsible for any injury sustained by their workers on vessels and other offshore facilities. Not only does it hurt their profit margin, but it also stains their reputation. In many cases, they will not only dispute the claim, but they will retaliate against employers who seek compensation by making it difficult for claimants to find other maritime work. Okay, this reality tactic is known as blacklisting. Okay, because offshore injuries occur far from where an investigation can be carried out without complication. Okay, so it's easy for a company to try to make things okay look more in favor than in the injured workers. If an offshore accident occurs, the employers will send lawyers and investigators on short notice to make sure the evidence is titled to fit its version of events and make it difficult for the injured persons to make a successful claim. Offshore injury lawyers are experienced in detecting these type of tactics and trained to handle the injury issues that came with maritime cases. Okay, seamen may also be entitled to compensation for lost wages, additional medical expenses, and pain and suffering under the Jones Act. In addition, for maritime workers who may not qualify as a seaman, such as a harbor or longshoreman, other acts in place that protect them in the event of an accident or injury. An experienced offshore injury lawyer will be able to explain your options to you and fight to ensure that you get the damages you are entitled. What type of accidents and injuries does an offshore injury lawyers covers? Okay, so now guys, in this video. An offshore injury lawyer covers many maritime accidents in which a seaman is injured due to negligence of another party. Common examples include failure of employer provide a adequate safety training, ensure all equipment is in working functioning order. Okay, provide proper safety gear and protecting clothes. Okay, provide wearing signs in appropriate areas. I hope you also like this video. Inshallah we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.